Thanks for joining me on my channel today with AmysCreativeAcrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello, hello. And yeah, so the colors that I'm going to use, so I have, with this I need to use about 8 ounces of paint. So this is a 9-ounce cup, so I'm pretty much going to fill that, up. The colors that I'm going to use today are SoHo's Dioxazine Violet Hue. I'm using Aunties Metallic Amethyst. I'm using Decoart's Metallic 24 Karat Gold. Amsterdam's Black Oxide. And Amsterdam's Titanium White. So I'm just going to layer the cup. Alright, so I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. It's kind of cool. Kind of galaxy. That'd be cool. You have to tell me what you guys think. Comment below and let me know what your thoughts are on this piece. Got some really cool cells coming in. Look at that. I do appreciate everybody for watching. That one there is really cool because it's like outlined in gold. I do appreciate everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and you would like and subscribe and share and all that fun jazz. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I put up my next video. I normally do them on Wednesday and Sundays. Usually I try to get it in about around 9 a.m. Central Time. And all my art is for purchase. If you're interested in anything or a commission piece, you can email me at AmysCreativeAcrylics@gmail.com. Yep. And I do thank everybody again for watching. I hope everybody is being healthy and safe. And yeah, have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye.